Hi, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So this is episode 27 of season 2. We are still on the beading series and we are doing this gorgeous design here in episode 27. If you've not checked the other ones out from episode 1 up to episode 26, you can go ahead and check it out after this video, and let's dive right into the video. All the materials used will be in the description box, so you can check them out later. I've single threaded my needle. The thread is single and I'm using pearls and seed bead. So I went ahead to pick 5 seed bead, 1 pearl and 4 seed bead, just like so. So that was 5, then 1 pearl, then 4 seed bead. So this is what you have now. I put it all the way to the end of the thread. Then I pass my needle through the 5th seed bead downwards. So you realize your two threads are coming out of the bead towards the same direction. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's what you should have at this moment. All the threads are towards downwards. Then I'm going to pick the longer thread, the one with the needle, and I'm going to pass it back through the 5th seed bead, just like so. Then I don't know what to say. I just made sure the work was tight, and then I tied a couple of knots and I got rid of the excess thread. So you can tie as many knots as you want. It all depends on you. So once that was done, I just got rid of the excess thread, just like so. And guys, to start the main work, now we have a single thread. To start the main work, I went ahead to pick 1 pearl, 4 seed beads, picking the seed bead was a bit slow, but this is what we have. So 1 pearl and 4 seed bead. Then I'm going through the first seed bead, so just one seed bead, and this is what you should have. It's very simple, right? So let's try a couple of times and I'll leave you to watch the rest yourself. It's basically that's what we are doing. So 1 pearl, 4 seed beads, then we are going through the first seed bead at the other end. So it goes upward and downwards, just like so. When you go up, the next one will be down. When you go down, the next one will be up. That's how we are doing. So this is what we have at this moment. Now I'm going to leave you to watch the rest yourself, and when I have to explain something, I'll surely bounce back and explain everything to you. Yeah, and at the end of the video, I introduce the next episode. This time around, we are introducing episode 28. For real, we are introducing episode 28. So make sure you watch to the end so you know exactly what we'll be doing in episode 28. I'm sure you don't want to miss any of the amazing designs coming your way. And up to this point, if you really enjoyed the video, please kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment the next episode is uploaded. I think I'm talking too fast. Well, yeah, so like I was saying, turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment the next episode, which is episode 28, is uploaded. We are left with about 3 more episodes, which is 28, 29 and 30 to finish season 2. Then we'll move on to season 3. We finished season 1 not long ago, and from there we are going to season 3. So if you've not seen any of the amazing designs, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Just join the family and let's have fun together. Let's learn together. So this is how the end product looks like, and you can see there's a bit of space. I leave that space for the finishing. So guys, this one is very easy. You can testify, it's very easy. So we are just going to pass our needle through a couple of beads and tie couple of knots, couple of beads, couple of knots. I'm rhyming now, like, you know. So we are just going to tie a couple of knots and then we'll be out of here. We'll just finish it real quick and then we'll be out of here. Yeah, so let's just get it done. And don't go anywhere. Episode 28 is right at the corner, like it's about to be introduced, so don't go anywhere. Just watch to the end. We are almost done. Left few minutes to be out of here, so just enjoy the rest. I know you're enjoying it. Just enjoy the rest of the video, and please subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment all the amazing episodes are uploaded. So I got rid of the excess thread, and guys, this is what we have for episode 27. Now let's finish it up. I'm using this locker here. I don't know the name, guys. If you know the name, let me know in the comment section. Okay, I don't know the name. I always call it locker. I know that's wrong, but that's all I know. But I know this one is jump rings, so I'm using these jump rings. I'm just going to connect it to one side of the locker. The locker come in two sides, so I just disconnected it, and I'm connecting my jump ring to the locker. Then I connect it to my main bracelet. You get it? Yeah. Then it's the jump ring is very easy to close, so I just close it with my hand. If you have flat nose or flat mouth, you can also use that one, but it's easy to close with your hand. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other end. Oops. Close it gently. And guys, I present to you honorable episode 27. Drum rolls, please. Yeah, so guys, this is amazing. Like, it's simple but very nice and classy. And let me know in the comment section the colors you think you'll be combining to do yours. And let's welcome episode 28. I don't know why I do that, but then I still do it. Yeah, so guys, this is episode 28. This is what we'll be doing episode 28. It's just an upgraded version of episode 27. So if you want to know how this is done, how you can turn your episode 27 to this amazing design episode 28, then please hit the subscription button right under the video, that red button there. Yeah, smash it for me, and then you turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment the next episode, which is episode 28, is uploaded. And I'll surely see you in episode 28. Stay safe, and I'll catch you in episode 28. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. Bye.